Hey there, it's Kat, and today we're going to take in a few jewelry repairs. In this scenario, we're going to create two repairs. One for a piece we previously sold, and the second for a new piece to our store. Let's dive in. From the dashboard, expand the Repairs menu and click Create Repair. Entering the inventory number of the item sold will bring our previous record into the screen. Easy, right? Now we just need to add a service. Choose the service or fee, update the charge if you want, and include detailed instructions. Clicking OK will save this service to the repair. Now let's add a new piece. Head to the right side menu, click Add Item Description Only, and we're going to enter in our detailed description of the item. Now let's add a service for this item. We're going to enter the service or fee, update the cost, and include a detailed description of the repair for this piece. Once satisfied, hit OK, and we're going to go ahead and enter when this repair will be done in the upper left-hand corner here. You can also have the customer pay for the entire repair now, pay a deposit with the rest due at pickup, or collect everything at pickup. Click Next, and attach your customer to this repair. Now we're going to collect our deposit. When you hit Save, a repair ticket will print along with the receipt for the deposit and a label for the repair. That's it! Creating repairs is super simple and straightforward. If you have any questions, our Solution Center has a ton of helpful articles. You can also chat with our AI assistant Judy or give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.